Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and updating drivers. This is vital because adaptive sync needs both hardware and current software. Once done, connect the monitor via DisplayPort DP1, 2 or higher to avoid bandwidth limits. Make sure the monitor's firmware and OSD adaptive sync option are enabled. These toggles often live under picture or gaming menus. After enabling, reboot the PC and open Nvidia control panel so you can proceed with the next configuration steps immediately. You'll now enable adaptive sync inside the Nvidia control panel. This is where the GPU negotiates refresh rates. First, go to Display right arrow Setup G-Sync, select your display, and choose Enable for full screen or windowed modes depending on your workflow. Then, also ensure the monitor's native refresh rate is selected under Change Resolution. Once applied, run a variable frame rate test or a game and watch for tear-free motion. If you see judder, tweak VSync and frame limit settings in your game or driver. You'll finish by matching frame output to the monitor's range. Set an in-game limiter or use Nvidia frame rate target to avoid hitting rates above the display's max, because hitting higher frames can break adaptive sync. Make sure VSync or Fast Sync are configured as recommended, generally off with G-Sync unless you need tear elimination at max rates. If problems persist, try swapping the DisplayPort cable, using a different DP port, or lowering refresh rate. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most sync flicker or dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.